There's no way it doesn't work. Okay, hold on. Hold on, chat. We are cooking. Video capture device. Settings. Deactivate, activate. Yo, we're back. Okay, so let's switch this out. Okay, bet. Turn this off. Okay, bet. Welcome back to the stream. I just realized I did not publish the stream link anywhere, so that's kind of my bad. Let me go ahead and do that on this laptop. How are you guys doing today? Are we feeling cool, boys? Quite cool and excellent? Or I don't know what I'm saying. Let's see. Put that in the Discord. Gosh. There we go. Get the link. People copy. Ezra Fodel, good. How are you, dude? I'm chilling. How are you, man? In our Discord. Bam. Okay, bets. Stream has been set up. I'm done with the stream. Okay, cool. The goals of today. I've built a website, which I'm going to show you now. Don't worry. I know you guys are like shivering in your timbers. You guys are like, what? I want to see the website. I'll show you the website. Grade is done with exams. Dude, that's great. How are exams? I just finished career fairs, so not exams, but I had an exam on Thursday. Oh, I need to charge my keyboard low key. Let's see the Bluetooth keyboard. 70%, dude, that's solid. I got this keyboard 2 weeks ago. I have not charged it since. Not bad. W. How do you feel? 1 to 10. 10 being like I aced my exams, and 1 being like I need to go reevaluate my life. Eight out of 10. Oh, that's solid, dude. Good job. Nah, you probably did amazing, bro. You probably got that 10 out of 10. But this is my website so far. Like the goal of this, right, is to keep it simple, keep it clean. It's supposed to be very minimal. I got these like the red, yellow, and green lines here as like a homage to Apple, because it's like low-key like Apple inspired. Like I don't know, it's just like clean, minimal, no extra fluff. So you can just click to view my work. Drops down here. I'll edit the descriptions, but very clean. The only thing I don't like is I like this top part. I feel like it looks pretty good, and it adjusts. I feel like it's pretty good, but the bottom part here, it just looks way too cluttered. So I'm gonna try fixing that today, and then maybe doing some LeetCode. I don't know, that's a goal. I also got GitHub Copilot. Oh my god, I have been procrastinating getting it because like I've heard a lot of things about it. Simple as elegant. See, right. I feel like if you have too many like animations and too many things going on, it's just too much. I want it to be simple and clean, and it just works, you know. This part I want to change. I want this about me and my projects. See how there's like a square here? I want these two to be inside this square, and the bottom of this to go down here. In theory, I don't know if I should do that or not, but I kind of like how these are segmented out in different sections, but I don't know. We'll see. But before I approach this, we have an issue with, I got a domain from GoDaddy, and I'm hosting this website on I'm hosting this website on this, whatever this is, Netlify. So I'm hosting it on here, and I don't know how to set it up to work with the domain that I bought. Do you just click setup Netlify DNS? Oh, verify. A domain. No DNS. No, I'm not. Change your name service to the following. The heck? Okay. Yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that, and then yeah, we'll vibe, chill. Any questions, just like drop it in, and yeah, we'll go ahead and start. Oh, am I not allowed to show these things? Hold on, let me go check. That'd be kind of bad. It's okay, like nobody low-key watches this. Okay, I'm assuming it should be fine. Hopefully. Okay, let me just do this on my laptop for safety. Sign in with that. Okay. Options, go to DNS panel. Where's DNS panel? Okay, got that. Go to the DNS management page. Under name servers. Where is name servers? Oh, name servers. Oh, okay. The request is in progress. Okay, great. So it should work soon. Okay, so then we can come back and check on that, but we can do that later. Okay. Oh, it's a star. Lolo with yo, what's up, man? How are you doing? Right now I'm working on my website. Sorry, can't be on the stream right yet. No worries, man. No worries. Okay, bet. No worries. Yeah, I'll see you soon, man. Sumit Gupta, what's up, man? How are you? Remember? Yeah, actually, I do remember. I remember you left a comment on the video which I made with my friend, Boredom. I remember that comment. Yeah, dude, it's nice to see you here. That's really cool, actually. So are you interested in like videography or like coding or like what are your interests? Nice mic, thanks, bro. This I keep the sock on it, but so Rode NT1. I spent too much money on this, bro. Too much. I have a question. Does it sound better like this, or does it sound better like? Does it sound better like that? Just starting Java, dude. I've heard, I've heard interesting things about Java, none of which are good. So I wish you luck on that adventure. Is that an interest in Java, or is it because of schoolwork? First one was good, but later one was much better. Okay. I'll keep it like this then. Oh, I see. Dang, Java? I didn't know, like, I mean, I'm like kind of new to this area, so is like Java very popular, or? 'Cause I'm not aware. Trying to be that, what dude, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to like also get into development. I'm working on web development right now, but I'm like very interested in mobile development, but there's a lot of similarities, right? So I'm doing web development because there's a lot of opportunities in web development. So I want to start off there, and I can always like niche down into mobile development. And actually, I built an app a few days ago, and it's like a simple what's it called, task manager. So I can what you can do is I can just like I can add a task, and I can say shirts. I can add a task. It's not in focus at all. I can add a task. I can be like get groceries. Add a new task. I can cross them all. It's like a simple task manager app, but that's what I'm like really interested in like taking advantage of like Apple's hardware. Nice colors, thanks. This is my color grade. This is my LUT, and I put it on my camera. I didn't know you could do it with the live stream, but apparently you can. So that's yeah. It's really nice. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm very interested in like design a lot more. Obviously function's very important. I mean, it's not good if you're new to coding, but I want a job. Oh, I see. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah. So are you learning C++ too then, or planning to do that maybe later? Because I started learning some C++ because I was in a similar situation before, and then I realized like I was started learning more and realized that what I was really interested in didn't really require it as much. When do you usually stream? I stream on Tuesdays from 12 to around 3, 12 to 3, and then I stream on usually I stream on Thursday and Friday at the same time, 12 to 3. But this Thursday and Friday I had a career fair, so I wasn't able to, and I put it in the Discord. And then I'll stream on Saturday and Sunday also from 12 to 3 or 12 to 4. 12 p.m. Central. I should have mentioned that. Is it I would definitely say like join the Discord, and I'm trying to, I'll set it up with events. Let me go ahead and do that. Oh, that's not the right one. Could you tell me an IST? Here, wait, I have a better idea. I'll put it in Discord and it'll automatically configure for you. So I'll just create events. Create events. Somewhere else. Add location. YouTube live. I think I put it for Tuesday already. So I'll put live stream 12 p.m. to 3. So I put it for Tuesday. I'll put it for Thursday 12 to 3. 12 to 3. Let's repeat it weekly on Thursday. Okay, bam. The Thursday one is now set. Also, invalid link? What? Here, let me try again. Let me make a new link maybe. That's so odd. Pin. Okay. Try that. It should work. Let me delete the old link too. Why did I start coding? Dude, coding. So actually, my journey to it is it's a little odd. I started coding out of. Also, would it be better if we could see the code a little bit more? Yeah, honestly. So okay, I'll tell you more about it. So normally I have it set up like this is one of my other setups, but I was like when I was coding earlier, oh my gosh, wrong scene. When I was coding earlier, I was coding on some things that I couldn't like show that much. So in efforts to keep my code a little bit more private, I kept it like this, so you can't see the actual code itself, but you can still see that I'm coding, and it's meant to like basically keep me on track, which is why I set it up like that. And also because I do most of my coding on my Mac, and right now it's running on my Windows, and oh my god, whenever I'm trying to code on Windows, it's a very it's not easy because all my stuff is basically on this Mac, so that's also another reason. Everything's basically just on this little machine. So I can, whenever I get a new laptop, I'll be able to stream on this, so it'll be a lot more integrated. But right now I don't have, my Mac's not powerful enough. This thing will explode. It's getting a little too old. Actually, when I was in class the other day, I was trying to run a program and the fans were like blasting. It was not a great thing. It was very, I don't know, I felt very awkward. But why did I start coding? I started coding because wow, okay, I started coding because I was actually pre-med before. Even though I prefer coding on Mac, I just code on PC for, I don't know, privacy. Oh, so wait, what do you mean by why? I don't fully understand why you code on your PC. Like, what do you mean for privacy? For me, also, just because I've used my Mac for a good portion of my life, so navigating it is very seamless for me. Whereas navigating on my Mac is a little, navigating on my Windows is very tiresome. I actually do want to like, I like the PC, but I want to upgrade this and make this new. It's coming out with a few softwares. Oh, I see. Like you like the personalization of your own laptop and you like having control over your system, whereas with the company Mac, it's a little like out of your hands. Is that what you mean? Yeah, no, that makes sense. I would feel the same way. But yeah, is the company Mac like a newer model, or is it one of those? Is it one of the Intel ones? No, I'm getting so distracted. Can't install a coding IDE. What the heck? They limit how many IDEs you can install? I didn't know that was a thing. Like I didn't think that was something that they would like limit. But yeah, I started coding because I started coding out of fun. So actually you can see my full progress on this GitHub. Here it is. Yeah, so this is my first ever repo. Can I organize these? Yeah, sort by, I don't know how to sort it. How do I sort? Okay, it's not that deep. Dang. That's so cool. Anyways, I started coding, and my first project I made just for fun because I started watching YouTube videos, and these videos were full of just people just coding, and there's also like an aesthetic tied to it. So if you go to like, this is so bad. If you go to TikTok and you just search up like coding aesthetic, this is what my feed was full of. And before this, I was like full of stuff like this. Hold on. Dude, why is it not focusing? I don't know, just people just coding and like grinding, you know? And that was a little appealing to me. I used to be pre-med, and I did enjoy pre-med, I don't hate it, but I found that with coding, it was a lot more tangible, and it was something that I was able to practice. With being pre-med, you can only practice so much because most of it is theoretical. You're not able to fully practice what you know until you're like 8 years into college. And you can visualize it, and you can help doctors and be like an assistant of sorts, but you're not able to practice what you know, which is okay. Like if you're really interested in it, that's fine. For me, I want my work to be tangible. Yeah, exactly. You can make things from scratch. Like you can create a product that doesn't even exist yet, and you like that could be like revolutionary. I'm Aaron. I'm on the one. Oh, what's up, man? I put a little emoji. Let me put out welcome to Discord. But yeah, there's a different energy in terms of coding. Everything's a lot more free, and I feel like everything's a lot more open too, which makes sense because if you're a doctor, you're like, obviously there's some privacy things, but yeah, exactly, right? Like you can, if you have the opportunity, you can work from abroad. Like you don't have to work in location. Oh, live. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. I mean, I'm trying. I don't know if my live is like that great, but yeah, I don't know, like what's it called? I don't know. The coding is very unique. Like you can create something from scratch. Like Steve Jobs, like what's it called? Mark Zuckerberg. Like there's some interesting people, but they've created so much from basically scratch, just from a laptop. I feel like that's like very inspirational, and I don't know. I like the idea of that. Yeah. So yeah, getting to that point. So over summer, I started coding, and this is the first thing I made. I made like a facial recognition software using Python and OpenCV, and I was just like, I don't know, I was like so shocked. I was like, there's so much potential in the things that you can create, and there's literally no boundary. You can only create like what your mind like what your limit is, like your brain basically. And I know that sounds like so cheesy, but like it's very true. And whenever I started coding a bit more, I realized that coding in general is something I was a lot more interested in, and I would spend hours just coding. And I wasn't taking many medical courses over summer, so I just started working on that. And notify, yeah, I put it on the, what's it called, I put my notifications in announcements, so usually it does notify right away. But yeah, I started coding a bit more. I realized that coding is something that I liked a lot more than medicine, just because I found out that I was interested in medicine for some of the wrong reasons, whereas for coding the interest was rooted a lot deeper, and I would just code for fun. For medicine, you had to kind of be very intentional about your stuff, and if you're not interested in what you're doing, you also have to be more intentional. But because I'm interested in programming, I can just, my version of relaxing is just coding, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just started coding and it was really fun, so that's when I switched. Why did you switch to coding? That was your turn. But yeah, coding is very interesting. Expense tracker web application. How did you make that app though? Try to make this safe for our first project. Dude, so I made it because, okay, this wasn't my actual first project. It was my first bigger project. I made it using OpenCV, and OpenCV, it is a tool which allows you to, it's a tool which allows you to connect to the web, and it allows you to utilize a lot of different aspects. So I would say look into OpenCV and their documentation. Just read through the documentation, and one of their projects that they list is honestly in the documentation. That's something I made. So just read through the documentation, figure out how everything works, and just start programming. It is with Python though, not Java. But I mean, if you're interested, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and. Should I include pictures in this? Nah, should be fine. But yeah, a lot of things you can do with coding. I think one thing I'm going to do later in this channel is I have some ideas for a startup. So come December, that's why I'm actually learning web development right now, because my startup will either be hosted on the web or it'll be hosted on the phone. So the reason why I'm learning all this is so I can put my startup to bring my startup to life. So with this channel, I want to document all my startups, because I know the first one's not going to do well. Hopefully it does, but let's be realistic a little bit. So I want to document all my ideas and just document my life. This is a long-term channel. This is gonna be here for my entire life. Expense tracker web application, just did that. Task manager iOS app. This is the one. This is the iOS app I just showed you guys. I didn't even add a README. Let's just have chat to do a README. Chat. How long are streams usually? 12 to 3, so about 4 hours. It's not too bad. I try to stream pretty often too, so it's a nice little jog instead of a sprint. Okay, cool. That's done. And then let's go to add README. How do you do a title? Don't you do a hashtag? Yeah. You know, honestly, I haven't started much in Java. I'm really inclined to make apps and web apps. I would say don't do something that you're not fully invested in. I heavily recommend starting with something that you're very interested in. For me, I'm really interested in design, specifically the way Apple designs their apps. I like the intuitiveness of it, and how they make it an immersive experience. So my interests are clearly defined. So whenever I code And whenever I'm starting new projects, I like aligning them to my interests because you don't want to give up, right? So that's why I'm making my portfolio website, and it's not a big project, but the reason that I'm gonna keep going for it is because I'm interested in it. So do things that you're interested in. You'll see a lot of growth there. I might just start stuff with you on stream, bro. Yeah, you should, man. We can be Oh, I didn't even do what my header was. Okay, I need to do that. There we go. How long are you here for? I mean, this stream. I'm gonna be for the rest of the. I'm gonna stream for another like 3 hours, something around there. I didn't even do this properly. Task creation, task management. Ooh. I'll be here in 20 minutes. Okay, bet. I'll see you soon then. You better be back. I'll probably still be working away on this this project. Movie catalog website. Oh, I think we can check now. Let's see if my thing has my... Oh yes, it's up. It's finally up. That's so refreshing. Okay, let's go ahead and push this then. Commit, order, this. Changes. Okay, so this should be updated soon. Okay. I think we need some inspiration. Also, I want to change this. Maybe you go here. Oh no, that's not good. I need an idea for a favicon. What does Apple have? Yeah, just a logo. Oh, it's a circle. That's nice. Okay, we'll do a circle. Ooh, I like this. Okay, let's just try with that. No, turn it off, turn it off. I don't know how to turn off developer mode. Nice. Lolowitz, yo, what's up, Lolowitz? How are you doing? What are we doing here today, dude? So I built a website. So right now, this is the website. Very simple. I want to change this part to make it look better. Just too much words. I just got it finally published under my domain. So now there's no favicon and it says React app. So that's what I'm changing right now. And so we're doing a little test, and we're gonna see how this works. What have you been up to? With your friends all day? W. That's good. It's good to get outside and hang out with people. Very healthy. Cleaning? Oh, dude, cleaning is so relaxing. Actually, I need to clean later today. That's what I'll probably do after stream. Start off some nice cleaning. Okay, I think it should work. Let's open this there. Yes, this is that React app. Oh, it's literally right there. Okay, so let's get rid of this. What the heck? Six people, we're making progress, right? Like, it's getting a little better. It's getting a little, honestly, I've not even checked the viewers. I'm just grinding. Let's see. No, it's not even letting me scroll. Yeah, 6. No, we are making progress. That's a W, man. A nice little community. That's so fire. I'm hyped. Very hyped. I don't know what I should build after this website. The goal of it is actually mainly like design based. I want this to look like super clean. Your little family. No, literally though. It'd be so fire. Like if you can get like a little group of people, bro. I don't know. It's so cool to like learn about people and their different experiences. Like you can learn a lot. It's actually so cool. This is my favorite part of the website so far, but okay, let's see. Title. Oh, this is where it is. Put my name. The icon. Oh. I'll just delete that for now. No, your package is delayed? Bruh. Dude, that's so weird. Wait, so you ordered it a while ago though. You ordered like a few days ago. I mean, if it's delayed, I'm assuming it's the weekend for you as well. So I would say it's probably gonna arrive Monday, but that sucks. Dang. Actually, I was also thinking about getting a, I don't know if you've seen them, but there's these like, they're like these green cutting mats. And I was gonna get one to put like here, like underneath my keyboard and mouse. I don't know if it looked good or not, but nah, that sucks that your keyboard got delayed, man. That would honestly like make me so upset. Like I'd feel so like bad. Okay, that's that. No. Let's do. Ooh, okay, that's better. I called them and they gave me. Oh wait, dude, that's so good. I don't like the logo. I ordered 2 books and some books. Dude, at least you got a refund, but a month. Dude, that's so long. I haven't really ever had issues with Amazon. I've had issues with FedEx though, but Amazon has been pretty good. That's so interesting. That's not good though. That sucks. Okay, let's go back to. Let's keep that. There we go. So that should be pushed to the website in a bit. So clean. I might end up changing this favicon icon. Is there a way to see my list of emojis? List of emojis. Wait, low-key, I can just use my phone. Let's see. Okay. Emojis. Let's see what we got. Copy. Okay. It should be good now. Nope. That's not what I want to do at all. There we go. Looky, I'm feeling the yellow though. Yeah, we'll keep that. There we go. It's pushed all. That was fast. Okay. We need to change this. This is not it. Let's look for inspiration. Portfolio websites. like these animations. This is nice. Scroll. Maybe a scroll thing right here would be cool. Not me struggling to pick up the CSS and HTML I left months ago. No, I can relate. It's one of those things where if you don't keep up with it, it's something that can definitely get lost. But I'm sure you'll pick it up pretty fast. I mean, if you knew it before, like, you can definitely relearn it. Don't worry. I'm also struggling too, not gonna lie. Lolo will be back. Okay, cool. I'll see you soon then. Oh, that's cool. The eyes move depending on the mouse. That's such a nice little thing. And so does the head. Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah, no, this is amazing. I need some inspiration for my website. This bottom part is something that I don't really like. Ooh. Oh, okay, that's kind of nice. She has dates next to it too. Oh, and a glowing mouse. Let's see if... I could make it more vertical instead of a scroll bar. That might be the move. Okay, that's an option. Also, if you're struggling to pick up CSS and HTML that you left, I want to sound like an ad. Check out GitHub Copilot. This thing, it's just so useful. For me, I was also struggling to like pick up stuff because I already knew the topics. I was just struggling to incorporate it, and I didn't want to learn from like tutorials. I wanted to learn on my own. So I've just been asking it questions, and you can analyze the code that it gives you and learn from it. Like it's a good tool to use as long as you don't rely on it. But it's a really good tool. Definitely check it out. Yeah, because when you use the tutorials, oh what the heck? When you use tutorials, I feel like for me, I don't learn. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, man. For me, I feel like I don't learn as much. So learning on my own is something I like to do, and this helps me do that. As long as you're not copying, which that would be bad. But if you're making your own project, you're not going to go very far if you're like, because this thing is not going to know what it's doing after a certain point. So it forces yourself to learn. Oh my god, this is a little too much for me. Oh, I liked how get in touch scrolled into view. Here's mine. This bottom part has so much work to do. We should have a dark mode toggle. Okay, let's work on. I know what I need to work on. Let's remove that for now. I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick, so I'll be right back. But I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'm gonna put it on the BRB screen. I'll be right back. Yo, we back. We are back. Deepak. Yo, what's up, Deepak? How are you? How are you doing? I had to use the bathroom really quick. Oh no! Stream is closed. We'll bring it back. Don't worry. Okay, back to it. Now, yeah, I do not like this one as much. It's okay. Spa. Oh, this is clean. Ooh, this is nice. I like that. A sliding indicator. Okay, we'll try to do a sliding indicator then. What best describes me? We'll just keep. So okay, we have to. Okay, let's just see what's here. Ooh, health and fitness. Wow, this is nice. Okay, let's go to web. Web portfolio. Oh wow, it doesn't even let me view it. Okay, never mind. This sounds like GitHub. No, I like the horizontal. I'm debating on a bento box layout versus a horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar. Okay. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one yet. It's this versus what I have right now. What I have right now is kind of ugly. Let's see what else is out there. Okay, we can find stuff for inspiration on here. I like this arrow. Yo, what's up, Lowitz? I'm trying to add an animated arrow right now down here. Loki, the button kind of does that though. I don't really need to scroll. Okay, screw that. That's all the vacuum, so I'll go for another 5 minutes more. No worries, man, no worries. Take your time. I think the other host of the server, Samuel, he wants to host an event in 2 hours. So if that's something you guys are interested in, comment or like put something in the chat, and then I'll let him know that you guys are interested in that, and we can plan it out. Just let me know. Let me know. Yeah, it would be a VC event, and I think he wants to do like, it would be something simple, like probably some game, just like a drawing game or something like that, but just a fun game, very chill, laid back, and it would be on Discord, and it'd be like a come and go as you please, just like, you know, very chill. Ooh, these are good fonts. Okay, I'm intrigued. Okay, that's italicized. Welcome to it. Yeah, let's italicize that. Okay, okay. English is trash, bro. No worries, man. Like, it's very chill. So like, it's don't feel bad or don't be worried. Like it'll be very like chill. Don't worry. Okay, I'm not messing with the italicized. I'm not messing with the italicized. We're not gonna do that. Let's see what else he has on his website. Definitely, you should definitely come though. It'd be pretty cool. Well, he has buttons. It's fine, I laugh at my typos so many times. Yeah. Don't be worried. Don't know what to do. Oh, I know something we do. Let's add another button that which to code text. What would you mean to code text? What do you mean code text? Oh, next. Are you looking for a web application or like a mobile application? I'm assuming you want web. If you want web, I would say mobile. Okay, mobile. Ooh, okay, I have good ideas. Okay, I would say one for sure is do a task manager to start off with, just to get your like feet in the water. Task manager first, and make it something that you would actually use. That's the biggest thing. Make it an app that you personally like and that you would use, because in that process you're going to discover so many things. So I would say first do a task manager just to get your feet wet. Then I would say integrate that task manager and build off of it. Build it into like, you can add in like certain dates or whatever. Build off of it, experiment around. Then I would say like, for me, I'm interested in like health, right? So incorporate your interests. For me, one of my interests is like the gym. So I would try to mess around with like a health tracker app. And just try to replicate what, I don't know if you know like of MyFitnessPal, but try to replicate that. But like, you know how there's premium features, so just make the premium features technically free for you, you know? I'm still here, a little occupied. No worries, Summit. Summit, you should join the Discord event in 2 hours. I'm told it would be fun. I also go to gym. I want to make an app for my set tracking. Exactly, right? So like make things that you would use, because you'll find that it's the most fun. I also will. I'm planning to make a app that tracks my calories and what my sets are like. iOS or Android? Ooh, iOS. And I say that just because I feel like Android has a lot of different things that you can do. When you're building an app for iOS, all the phones are basically the same. When you're building an app for Android, every single phone can be very different. So I would say do iOS just because it's easy. Because iOS, all you need to know is Swift. But if you learn for Android, I mean, if you're doing natively, then you'd use Kotlin, I'm pretty sure. But I'm more familiar with iOS. I like iOS, so I would say iOS. I also want to make a task tracking, but do what you're more comfortable with. Do whichever software you're more comfortable with, because you'll make the most progress at that. I also want to make a task tracking or kind of level up tracking app. Yo, that'd be fire. You know what you should do? You should make a task tracking or task manager app, but like you said, gamify it. So like there's like levels, like make it like a game, you know? Like once you complete a certain amount of tasks, you reach this level and like stuff like that. I don't know. That's like, that'd be so hype. I would use that. Yeah, you should do it, man. I would 100% download that. This sounds so hype. Bro, this is so fire. There's like people who like are nerds like us. You should look up solo leveling theme. Yeah, I know what solo leveling is. I love solo leveling. I watched the anime and then I read the manga. Yeah. Is there already an app for that though? Oh, okay. I thought it was like a specific thing. Yeah, I know. I love Solo Leveling. I'm waiting for them to drop their new season of the anime, bro. The manga, I already read it, but it's so good. So I'm gonna be back. Okay, bets. I will see you soon then. Okay, cool. Do you listen to this background music versus for a stream? Not gonna lie, it's mainly just for the stream. I do listen to similar music. Like, I'll literally just play for you. But for the stream, I can't play exactly what I listen to. But I do listen to similar music. I'll literally give you, like, this is what I listen to normally. Oh, wait. Bruh. So like I listen to like piano-ish music still. Like I still listen to like instrumentals, but it's not like lo-fi. But so I still listen to like instrumental music. I can't really listen to music with words. I would get like too distracted. I would probably use Kotlin because of the school. So yeah, Professional extension using Android too. Oh yeah, if you're using Android for like your school stuff and your professional exam, yeah, go ahead and use that, dude. That's why I'm learning web development. Like, I want to go straight into mobile, but because of career things, I most likely will need to do web development a bit more. So, hence why I'm doing this first. Go ahead and do Kotlin then. It better. I'm hyped for you. I think it'll turn out good. I was thinking of health tracker, but with AI, you can take a picture of me on display. Ooh, that's a good idea, bro. Yeah, you should do it. I would say go ahead and make the framework of the AI thing first if you can, because I feel like that might be harder. Fix the AI thing so it detects like the meals, and then I would say go ahead and make the UI. I don't know, but do whichever part interests you most. That's what I would. But I think that's a good idea. I think that's a really good idea, actually. You could definitely probably find like an API that would help you do that too, just so you're not doing it all from scratch. But solid idea. Oh, yikes. Oh, yeah, I am a fan of colognes. Let's just get rid of that. Let's see. 'Cause, 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 'c Yeah, I am a fan of colognes. I think they're very nice. Gosh, I messed up. Dude, why does it look so ugly now? Yeah, I have three. I have one of them is this perfume by here. Let me find it. Wait. Let me get it. Okay. One of them is Azaro's Most Wanted. It's yeah, it's pretty nice. It has a cool little bottle. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That looks pretty clean. You wanted that, bro? It's good. You should get it. It's a good like winter fragrance. Not as much for summer, but winter. Oh yeah. Then I have this one was a gift. I got this. It's called Mr. Burberry. I love the color of this. It looks really clean. Oh, it's backwards. But I don't know. It's a nice one. This is definitely my favorite. Oh no. And then I have, oh gosh, this is my oldest one, but this is my first ever cologne. This is a great summer fragrance. It's Azaro's Most Wanted. I'm not Azaro's Most Wanted. This is a Paco Rabanne Invictus. But it's a Invictus Legend. It's a bit different. So nice though. Yeah. But this is a great summer scent. So I usually cycle it accordingly. So this is my summer one. And then this is my, like, if I'm going out in the evening or if I'm going out in like winter time. And this is like super well-rounded. Yeah, I like Paco Rabanne Invictus as well. I don't know. These are all very versatile. Let me go put these back. What about what? Oh gosh, wait. What about you? Which colognes do you have? I'm so curious now. Aqua did you have perfume, the black one? Oh, Spice Bomb, dude. Spice Bomb's better than Most Wanted apparently. I didn't know that when I first got it, but Spice Bomb's better. So 1 million. I heard really good things about 1 million. Dude, you have a good collection, bro. How is Aqua de Gio? I've heard of good things about it and I've wanted to buy it, but I didn't know if I should. You love both, dude. I don't know. I haven't smelled Spice Bomb. I've just heard that it's better than the other one. I absolutely love Aqua de Gio. Should I cop? Rate it 1 to 10. Like, have you smelled Invictus before? Like everyday use? Okay. Oh, that's a good one then. Okay, I'll check it out. I think You're convincing me. You're convincing me. I might have to cop it. And it lasts pretty long too. Like I'm assuming the ones I have so far have lasted me a good amount of time. I wrote it down. That's funny though. Cologne at 8 out of 10 is lasting. Oh, 5 hours. I mean, yeah. Not gonna lie, I feel like mine, I feel like a lot of my colognes will last 5 hours. Maybe not Most Wanted, and maybe not the other one that I have, but I feel like Invictus lasts around 5 hours. They do not last long for some reason. I put like the lotion on my neck and everything, and like to help it stick, and it does not stay that long. Quite odd. Really? Wait, Loki, that's kind of fire though. Because if it's like super strong, that means it doesn't like wash away that easily. I feel like that's like Loki a good thing, no? Or is that bad? There it is. I knew it'd break. Zero job, air vapor. I actually have not heard of that. Not gonna lie. Here, I'll check it out. 1 second. Okay, let's see what this is. Bro, this looks exquisite. Dang, it's an expensive bottle. It looks small. Let's see. I mean, it probably smells immaculate though. Orange, lemon, fruity. It's just like a fruity, sweet smell. Bro, this looks like an elixir. Dang. What's this cap? Oh, it's a literal hat. Dang. That looks expensive, man. That looks cool though. Bro's building an army for his colognes. So life savings. I don't know if sending life savings is a smart idea. Ooh. That's pretty good. Let's just go ahead and ask chat. Oh, I don't even think I included the proper font. That looks a lot better, honestly. I'll get water real quick. I'll be right back. So by the way, what are you making right now? Okay, right now I'm trying to get these. So when I scroll, there's these like red, yellow, and green lines. I want, whenever I reach the about section, if I am scrolling, I want it to be like animated. So I want it to like make like a nice like a red circle, and then when I scroll to the my project section, I want it to be like a nice yellow circle. It'd basically like be animated, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm trying to figure it out, but I don't know. It's a little odd. For how long have you been coding? Dude, not long, like maybe like 3 months, 4 months, since June. So June, July, August, September, 4 months now. Yeah, not long at all. Yeah, only been 4 months. I don't know. I still have a lot of progress to make. What about you? How long have you been coding for? Okay, bet. I'll see you back, Logowitz. why I yap a lot while I code. Dude, yeah. Normally, I don't know, for me, like, I'm just pretty silent when I code. I can't really, like, talk that well because, I don't know, it's just me. I can't really, it's harder for me to focus if I'm, like, talking a bit. It depends, though. If I'm doing, like, LeetCode, yeah, I can talk. But, like, this is a bit trickier. Go ahead and push these changes. Yeah. I've been coding for 2 years, but just around I use I use pre-built code for automation. Oh, yeah. I mean that's still good though. I don't know. Like that's still really good. Dude, you have a good experience. I just started, bro. I'm trying to like get cracked out in like web dev, so like I'm gonna like only do web dev, and I want to do mobile dev too, but like it's hard to get a job. So web dev and LeetCode, that's the grind, you know. I don't know. I want to get to mobile dev. That's the end goal. But what about you? Do you guys have an end goal? Like end goal, like what's your dream job in tech? I mean, I have worked around web scraping. Yeah, web scraping is pretty fun, honestly. I love web scraping. I built it for another tool that I use to automate like this process where you have to watch videos to get into this lab. It's kind of annoying, but you still have to take the test manually. Okay. I want to try something. Alright, cool. That's done. Welcome back. Welcome back. Long time no see. Oh yeah, but do you have like a dream tech job or a position that you ideally want to be in tech? Alright, that means this should be updated. So this is what it looks like now. If I reload the page, yeah, that does look a lot better. I want to be rich, cool tech. I kind of want to work in startups. Startups is a good place to be in. You're doing typically more than the job that you're signed up for, but it provides for good opportunities for growth. A lot of good opportunities for growth. I would want to work in a startup too. I think that'd be really fun. Rich cool tech is a amazing, amazing goal. W goals. W goals. I need to figure out how to make these buttons animated, man. I need to. Yo, welcome back, Lolowitz. It's been so long, so long. You're still streaming, right, for some time? Yeah, I'll probably still be streaming for like another hour or two. Let me text my friend, see what his plan is. Dude, yeah, I missed you, man. It's been so long. Yeah, I'll be streaming for probably another 2 hours or an hour. I'm waiting for my friend to see what he says based off our Discord plans. Bro is not responding right now. He's leaving on red. How sweet. That's funny. But yeah. These stupid buttons. Honestly, I'm a little tired from this project. I want to do something. Is it time for LeetCode? Unfortunately, it might be. Okay, we'll start LeetCode in 10 minutes, maybe. He's officially back. What do you mean you're officially here? Were you not officially here before? So sad. Tell me what I should do to make a task manager app like here. Okay, so what I would say is go ahead and download Xcode. After you download, well, I'm assuming you're doing on iOS. But basically, wait, are you doing on iOS? Just so I know, otherwise the instructions I gave you might be a little bit different. Actually, Xcode got a new update, so I'm actually so curious. Ew, why is it so bright? No. Theme. There we go. That's a lot better. Okay. Well, I'm assuming you're using I'm gonna assume you're using iOS and doing it on Swift. Already have. Okay, cool. So what I would say is go ahead and you want to approach it in layers. So you want to basically I can use this app. Hold on. I'll show you how to approach it. Approach it in layers. So we'll scroll to the side. You want to start with the base of your app. So let's just say this is your phone. You want to start with the base of your app. So that's the island, by the way. That's the island. So start from bottom to top, kind of in layers, you know. So for example, in the first layer, if you want it to be, you're complete beginner. Oh, okay. No, even if you're a complete beginner, bro, I made this with zero Xcode experience. You can still do it. Just Google a lot. Google is your best friend. Don't be afraid of Google. I would say I'll still lay it out for you though. So look into what a Z-stack is. Because Z-stack is what's going to allow you to layer things from bottom to top. So look into what Z-stack is. Then I would say look into what V-stack is. And then Can you get Xcode on a PC? Not on a PC. You can only do it on Mac. But if you're gonna do mobile development on a PC, you might want to switch over to either web development for mobile or Android development, because you can only work on iOS development through a Mac. But yeah. Honestly, these two things, just use Mac. Mac's easy. These two things are what's gonna get your foot in the door. So I'd say start here and figure out how to make the UI of your app. And I say UI first because it's exciting, and I know you already know how to code itself. So to make the actual like task manager, it's just making a list. And whenever you like click a button, you want to add something to the list. Whenever you click a button again, you want to remove something from the list. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You don't know how to code at all? No, I didn't follow any tutorial. I just kind of like, I just like Google. Okay. If you don't know how to code at all, wait, you know Java though, right? Or no? Like, okay, 1 to 10. 10 being like I'm an expert, and 1 being no. Okay. If you don't know how to code at all, okay, I would say, if you don't know how to code at all, I would not start with Java. Java's a little unwelcoming, I would say. But you are interested in mobile development, right? You're not interested in web development? Start days to go left. Bro did not like it. But you're for sure interested in like mobile, like / iOS development versus web, right? You're interested in making something. Okay. I would start off there and figure out which area you're specifically interested in making. For example, are you interested in making like a super intuitive UI website, like whatever this is? Are you interested in that, or are you interested in making like apps? Like, I would start with web development. Yeah, web development is a lot, at least here where I'm like in the US, web development is a lot more welcoming also because there's a lot more jobs for it. How is it different? So, okay, they have some similarities. Honestly, they have a lot of similarities, but the difference is in the way that in web development, you can't take advantage of the device's hardware as much, because if you're doing web development, it has to work across almost all devices. So it can be a little tricky because you're trying to accommodate for each device, and it can be a little tricky, but in general, it's a lot easier because, or from what I've heard, because I don't know like in-depth knowledge, but it's a bit easier because you're not worrying about like battery management or power usage or anything. Because an app is way more integrated, you need to worry about battery management, power usage. Battery management, what is the thing? Device usage, like memory, like RAM. You need to worry about that, etc. So it's different in those regards. And for me, I made an app first because that's just what I was interested in. So the reason why I'm saying is figure out which area you're interested in is because that's what's going to push you to finish the app. Because at one point, no matter what you do or what you code, there's going to be a point where it's going to be a hump and you're not going to want to learn more because you're going to be so tired. But if it's something that you're interested in, that'll push you forward. So I would first figure out which one you like more. You don't have to have it set in stone, but just to get a general idea of which one you like more. Like, do you want to make like a mobile app where I can like open an app and do whatever, or do you want it to be like online and also like if you're making a mobile app, at least with Apple, it takes some time for it to come on the App Store, or you can just for public use. But if you're trying to get it just for you, like you can get that instantaneously. And I started coding with Python originally. So a lot of my projects, even now, a good amount of projects are on Python. Like a lot of these are Python based. I started with Python, and then I dipped my toes into web development, which is what I did like here. So JavaScript, movie catalog, expense tracker. This is a Pathfinder on Python, a chat app. So I dipped my toes into web development, but I personally don't like how broad it is in web development. There's so many different frameworks. Hold on, I have a perfect tool for you. Hold on. This is one of the best videos I have watched if you're trying to learn more about web development. And there's another one for iOS development. I started off, but yeah, going back to what I said before, I finished web development, didn't like it as much because of how broad it is. There's so many frameworks and libraries, which can be good, but for me, I didn't like it as much in terms of that. So I also moved to Swift because I like how intuitive an app is and how you can take advantage of the device's capabilities. And a lot of things are just a lot more integrated. Like all these icons are all integrated within iOS itself. The only thing that I really imported was this this logo at the top. Everything else was already in iOS, so it was really easy. So that's why I like it. Okay, you want to make an app in iOS? Yeah, that's yeah. Then in that case, I would say go ahead and, because you don't know anything coding, I would honestly say go ahead and learn Swift. I would pull up a by tomorrow is crazy. Dude, I mean, I think it's still possible, but it's gonna take some time. Like, it's gonna like, you're gonna be at your desk a lot if you're trying to get it done by tomorrow. I'll say go ahead and what I would do is open up Swift on Xcode, and in another tab, I would honestly open up ChatGPT and ask it to guide you. Like for example, I would literally do this. Like, I'm trying to make a task manager app in Swift for my phone. Can you guide me? Yeah, so it'll literally prompt you like, what are you trying to create? So I want it just for task creation. I've been around coding better. No, I know what you mean. Like, if you follow like tutorials or like something like that, like you know how to get around it, but you don't know how to sit down and just lock in. That's why I would say open up a ChatGPT tab. Don't copy what ChatGPT is saying. Open it up so you can learn from it. So there's these three things, right? Then you should ask it, what does this mean? Like, why am I using this? You know what I mean? Oh, Node.js script for web scraping. Okay, I see. Yeah, I agree with Lolo. If Swift is a bit too tricky, definitely move to web development, because Swift is the web development is nice in the way that everything is very segmented. Like, everything's segmented. Swift is basically everything is jumbled up together in one file. So it is kind of easier to navigate through a web development like side of things versus Swift. Honestly, yeah, you can still make an app, yeah. Like a widget? No, not like a widget. I mean, I'm talking about the way that the coding is structured. So for example, in web development, there's different ways to go about a project. Or not different. There's a way that a project is organized. So for example, all the text that you see on the screen is just text, right? That's the actual content. So content is different than styling. So I can open up this index.html file. That's not a good example. This file right here is content. If you look at it, there's nothing here because it's just content. But if I want to look at how to style it, I can go to a different page. This is all styling. So it's very it's very organized. That's the word. Swift, everything is together. So if I see a button, for example, how long did it take me to task manager for iPhone? This took me like 4 hours, 3 hours, something around there. It didn't take too long, but I know how to find my way around, and also I already know Python, I already know like JavaScript and whatever, so I would keep that in mind. But so I can like make a shape for content in Swift here, but the styling is also integrated into it. I personally like that. Some people find that a little confusing, so that's why it can get kind of tricky. Oh no, I had no prior Swift knowledge before making this app. I like knew about it, but I didn't know anything. I knew of it, but I didn't know anything about using it, and I didn't know how to use it. So I learned all of this on the spot. Yeah, man, you got it, bro. Being on your stream, bro. That's good though. It'll be good. I think making the app is a great thing for learning. So clean too. I would definitely also check out, when you have the time, check out the differences between web development and iOS development and see what people say about it, because you'll find a lot of valuable advice regarding it. That's why, like, for me, like, I do like mobile development, but there's a lot of pros to web development. Like, if you have an idea, to get something in your head that's an idea to a concept, web development is really fast and really efficient for that. To do an iOS, it's still possible, but because you need to run through Apple's terms and conditions to get on an app store, it'll take some time. If you're doing the same thing on web, if I wanted to, I could make a project and publish it by tonight, and it would be there for tomorrow morning for people to use. You know what I mean? So that's why a lot of startups use web development, at least to my knowledge. So there's pros and cons to it. I would do some research and see which one you like more. I'm trying to find a different way to organize my projects list, because this is so disgusting. So I'm looking for inspiration now. Oh, this is hard. Oh, never mind. I thought it was something different. Ooh. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and just like, yeah. I think it's a good time to do that. LeetCode. Dude, stupid LeetCode, man. I hate LeetCode, but yeah, it has to be done. Let me get my notebook. Yeah, I did say I would do LeetCode, didn't I? Okay, let's see. Let me switch to we go. I'm gonna get my MacBook of how to make a task manager up being Swift on ChatGPT. Yeah, definitely use ChatGPT to help you, but just make sure you're asking it a lot of questions and you're not copying directly, because when you ask it a lot of questions, you'll learn a lot that way, because it's very easy to get stuck in a spiral and build like kind of like false confidence, you know? When are you streaming tomorrow? Probably same time, like 12. What's it called? 12 o'clock Central Time. I put it in a, I think I put it in an event. Let me double check. I put it in an event on the Studi Discord. Create event. Yeah. Wait, let me clean up this area and then I'll check my things. Clean that up. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Alright, cool. I just doing a startup with it. Yeah. I mean, I still need to build my foundations first, but whenever it's in motion, I will let everyone know. I'll be like, yo, here's my idea. It'll be cool. It'll be like a fun little like a work session, and then I'll make actual videos on it. In addition to streaming, I'll publish actual YouTube videos about it. It'll be so fun. Okay, enter location, YouTube live, repeats weekly on Saturday. Starts at 12 p.m. ends at 3 p.m. Bro. Oh, it's already Saturday. That makes sense. Okay. That's that. And I'll do one more for Sunday. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from the US. I'm from like Texas right now. What about you? Where are you from? Sunday, 1 a.m. That's crazy. Wow. Why are you up at 1 a.m.? The determination is insane. Dude, how are you awake? Wait, where are you from? I would have been so I would have been knocked out, man. Is today Saturday? Dude, I thought it was dang. I thought it was Friday for some reason. Cool. Now let's check how do I see the events? India. Dang, bro, 2 a.m. Bro, that's so much. Like, that's so intense. I respect it though, I respect it. Thank you for joining my stream at such a odd, late time. Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, let's edit that. Edit all of it in the series. I won't mind doing coding sessions. 8 p.m. by your time. Yeah, it should be around there. It'll be whenever this started. Here. Wait, what time zone are you in? Also, how do I spell live stream? Is it capital? Live stream. Oh, actually, it's two separate words. Ah. Over to live stream, save event. Do that. Tomorrow, that should be changed. IST. Okay, let me check. We'll check right now. $10:30, yeah. 10:30 to, and then just add like 4 hours to that. Dang. Yeah. GMT plus 3. Five hours ahead. So for that, it would be 5 plus 4. Yeah, 4 p.m. It'd be 4 p.m. for GMT. Not bad. That's not bad. 10:30 is crazy though. Dang. Dedication is insane. I respect it though. Thank you for joining the live stream. I appreciate it. Okay, so we have, what's it called? Sunday, Tuesday. Oh, that's not worded properly. All events and streams, live. You can definitely do, I have to gym at evening anyways. I don't stream every day. No, I can't because I'm still in college. So I need to go to classes and stuff. So, and usually I'm out from the morning to the evening on Monday and Wednesday. I get back really late, so I'm not able to stream. But usually I stream almost every other day. Fourth year of CS. Oh, dude, you're about to graduate then. How are you feeling? Tomorrow, so Tuesday, Thursday, that's Saturday. Head of event, series. My last stream, 12 to 3. Okay, cool. Those should all be listed now. Yeah, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Okay, cool. CS 21. I'm 20, so I'm not 21 yet. I will be 21 next year. That's cool though. Dang, senior. That's only 1 year away from me. Yeah, you're only a year older than me. Yeah, I'm nervous for senior. It's a little scary. 21 last month. Oh, yeah, I still have a good year to go. How does it feel to be 21? What do you like? What do you dislike? Oh my gosh, I have not touched this in so long. I'm working at a startup since 3 years, so that's it. Oh, that's so fun. How do you like being a startup? Like, is it stressed, or like, are you stressed, or are you having fun at the startup? I've heard it's a very stressful environment. Not technical much. Oh, wait, what's the startup like? Does the startup have a name, or like, what do you work on? If I'm allowed to know. What was common ancestor, binary, side view? Okay, I'm gonna refresh on what I learned last time. It's an educational text startup. Oh, that's so cool, dude. Help the students. W-man. Given a binary search tree where all node values are unique and two nodes in the tree. Oh, I remember this. Okay. Okay, I need a review on what I know. It's been way too long. Oh, so they give us P and 7. Okay, I'll let you solve it and I'll go look up the tasks thing. Do you play Val? Dude, no, not really. Like, I used to play Val and like games a bit more, but not anymore. I just like, I haven't had the time for it, honestly. But, dang, yeah. I haven't played in so long. What about you? Do you play? Okay, I remember the task. Maybe a match on the weekends, I guess. That's valid. So you play a little bit, like you're an enthusiast, but you don't like grind it. Cause I know some people like are cracked out and they grind Valorant like crazy. I'm gonna review the solutions for these. I actually forgot. Start the root node, keep going. So we're looping in. Start the root node. We're gonna loop. Okay, hold on. I need to shut up. I cannot talk to myself.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's write some more neat code today. So today we're going to solve lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. And if you recall, a while ago in a video I showed you guys this sheet of the 75
Oh, my name is Rohit. That's why like the channel name is like Rohit. You know the vibes. Yeah. What about you? What's your name? Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, bro, I am. Well, I did not look Indian. I feel like I look pretty Indian. Oh, I see what this is. Summit. W name. Oh, okay, wait, I kind of get this. Okay, this makes sense. Should have been one more. Oh, it's okay, I see. Misspelled typo. Well, L move, no I'm playing. Can we just do while true? While current equals root, if current does not equal root, then we escape. Okay. Yeah, we can still do while true. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, get the Xcode going. The programming journey begins. So we're gonna go if the left value is greater than the current value and the right value is greater than value. We're gonna move to the right subtree, so we're gonna move the current. All right. You'll be back in a few minutes again. Okay. So silly. Then we're gonna do if p value. So left value if it's less than the current value. And q value, the right value, is also less than the current dot value. Move the current equals current dot left. And we're gonna keep doing that. When do we stop? So return the current node. Yeah. Damn, Ezra got on you. That's crazy. W. That's so funny. So if this is okay. So if left. Oh, so if both. Okay. Okay, this one is BFS. But what is it? Break time has started. Should I also start LeetCode? Low key, I would say yeah. I would say get a good understanding, since you said you haven't started much code. I would say get a good grasp of like some fundamentals and just kind of like focus on that first for like maybe a month, and then hop into LeetCode. Hop into LeetCode definitely within the next few months though. Because the concepts in LeetCode, like you do want to have a good understanding of some coding before you hop into it. Otherwise, it can get a little too much. I remember I did my first LeetCode problem right when I started coding. Worst decision ever. And then I did one problem. I didn't even finish it. I tried doing one problem for 20 minutes, and I said no, because it was concepts that I did not even know. So I would say definitely wait. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me call my friend. I want to ask him about the event that we're trying to host. W project creation. I don't even know what problem solving. Git repository failed. Oh, dude, wait, I had the same issue. For making a project with Git, you have to do a pull request first in Xcode. So do a pull request and then you have to like push request. Yeah, even if you just created it, it still makes you do like a pull request first. Where's the pull and push? It's at the top of the menu bar. I would say ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be your best friend. Yeah, no, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT, like put in the error that you received, the error code, and just copy and paste in the chat, and then let it like help you. Trust, you got it. I believe. But the push and pull request is in the navigation bar. I said disable that. That's fine. Each sublist contains the values and nodes at a particular level in the tree from left to right. see. Okay. So we're gonna do B. Okay, that makes sense. That's why we're doing BFS. Closest children to the cube. 3, 9, 20. And the first value is 7. Then we're to pop it and then append it to node. That makes sense. Okay, stay here till I make the best task manager app. I believe in you. You're gonna make the best task manager app ever to exist. Notion does not know what's about to hit them. Yeah, right. How did you learn to manage using GitHub and stuff? Oh my god, I got you. There's this beautiful tool called the Odin Project, and almost everything I've learned is through documents. So I would say check this thing out. It'll describe everything you need to know. Even for web development, they have an entire web development course. But if you're just trying to focus on Git, just yeah, no, this is an amazing resource. Okay, I'll just paste this. So I would definitely check this out if you're trying to learn to use Git. Thanks. I try, I try. I'm playing. Loki, that project is one of the, it's so nice. It's very complete. I feel like I haven't missed out on anything whenever I've been through that project. Okay, so we're gonna add something to the list. Oh, that's not one. Initialize an array for the result. Create a queue, a DQ. Append root in the DQ. While DQ is not empty, we're going to to hold on to the queue. Okay. We'll add it to sublist. And we'll add his children to the queue, to DQ. Okay, this kind of makes sense. Okay, so we need to make a list for the actual final result. Then we want to create a queue or a DQ. We're going to append the first node in the tree to the queue. Do a breadth search on every value in queue, since it's not going to be empty, or until it's empty. Oh god. Will there be a stream tomorrow? Yeah, there should be a stream tomorrow. I'm trying to think if I have any meetings to do. Yeah, I think there's going to be a stream tomorrow. I think it'll end a little bit earlier, but yeah, there will be a stream tomorrow. Do not worry. I have too much homework to do. But yeah, there will be. What time? Same time. 12 p.m. Central. And I put it in the Discord, I think. Where did I see that? Tomorrow. Yeah, I put it in the Discord. So you'll see it there. Not interested in. Oh, I see. Okay, bet. I will see you there. Don't worry. Also, we're still having our event in 20 minutes according to my friend, so that'll be on Discord. I think I probably won't stream the event just because I don't know if my PC can handle that, but yeah. For now, I promise a friend to play with him, so I'll be going. No worries, man. Have fun with your friend. Have a good session of whatever you're doing. No worries, though. I'll see you soon. Or tomorrow, I guess. I got a lento. Have a nice evening, Lilowitz. How do I check the app I made on my phone in real time? Through USB. Yeah, you have to connect it through USB, and I would look up a YouTube tutorial on it. It's kind of hard to explain, but just look up yeah, this is a pretty good Stack Overflow. Yeah, I put it on my, well, you need to put it connected to your phone to run it for the first time. After you do it for the first time, you don't need to. But whenever you're pushing updates or when you added new code, connect it through USB, run it, and it'll be fine. But whenever if there's no updates that you're trying to do, then yeah, you can just run it without doing anything. But yeah, this is a pretty good thing. Yeah, no worries, man. Start the length of the queue, which will be based off the nose entry. Okay, that makes sense. We need the length. Sublist, which will hold each level. So we're going to go through each level, and we're going to add the value to the DQ. Then take the DQ value, pop it, and add it to the sublist. So first we're going to add the value from the DQ to the other. It was good such that practice units of things stream. I'll see you tomorrow probably. No worries. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta. Toodaloo. Have a good evening or morning. I don't know what time it is, but whatever it is. So here, W summit. That's funny. Or I in range. Q length. So we're gonna go to each value in the queue. We're gonna pop the first one. We're gonna pop the first one. After we pop the first one, we're gonna add it to the sublist. Yeah, I think you definitely can. I think it's definitely possible to do it. I think what takes the most amount of time is styling, but based off pure functionality, 100% possible. And styling is just like personal preference, right? So for each value in the queue, we pop the first one, then we're gonna add it to the sublist. And then we're gonna append as children to the DQ. No, we do that afterwards. Add children. Similar to JavaScript, like very. Oh yeah. The JavaScript is very similar to Swift in terms of the way that it's laid out. It's, if you know JavaScript, yeah, it's so easy to pick up. So we're gonna append the node on the left. So make it small. Append the result to the result. Obviously that'll complete. Yep. This one's a bit longer, it's a bit tricky. Okay, I'll probably end this stream in around five minutes ish, and then I'll be on Discord in 10 minutes. So I'll take a nice 10-minute break and I'll come back on Discord, and that's where we'll have the live or the game or whatever. Don't worry, Summit, don't worry. I will also be back tomorrow. So I'll also be back tomorrow for the grind. And I hope to see your app, or I hope to see, like, actually, when you finish your app, I mean, if you can join after this this stream ends on the Discord, you like feel free to. I know it's a little bit late, and I know you're working on your task manager app, so do whatever is best for you. But after you finish your task manager app, you should definitely send a picture in the Discord. I'm excited. So hopefully I can see your app. Okay, let's just walk through it one more time. So we initialize or what's making it work? Nothing related to the UI right now. No worry. No, that's actually a good approach though. Like, as long as it functions, that's like the biggest. That's like the most important part, right? So make sure it functions, and then like, bro, the styling, you do at the end, you have so much fun with it because you know everything works. So no worries with that. Do we have media upload perms? Yeah, I think you do. You should have media upload perms. If you don't, go ahead and message in the general chat, but I'm pretty sure you would. You should. You can post it in like the homework help section, I think. You can post it in like where the laptop is, if you want, or where just post it wherever you feel like. It doesn't matter. I just want to see it. I want to see it. I'm hyped. Okay, so we initialize the list for the final result. We initialize a DQ, and we're appending root to DQ. While DQ is full, no, while it's not empty. Yeah, while there's values in it, and when there's not, we're gonna return result. While there's values in it, we're gonna find the length of the queue and create a sublist for each level. We're gonna get a sublist, and then for each number in queue, we're gonna pop the left, and we're gonna add its children to the, or pop this left, add it to add root to DQ, pop left node, append okay. Append children to DQ. When add sublist to result only if it's full. Add sublist to result only if it's non-empty. So if it's full, we can add the sublist to the result. Okay, bet. I got the program. Thanks for this, dude. You really motivated me. Back to work. Yeah, bro. No worries. Actually, I'm gonna hop off now, at least for the stream. I'll be on Discord in 10 minutes. Yeah, and I'll be streaming tomorrow as well. So, and I put it in the Discord when the time is, so it'll work out. But on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. And yeah, this was great. Honestly, I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed meeting all these people, and it was great talking to everyone. So on Discord, okay, cool. I'll join Discord in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go take a break and, you know, eat something and stuff. But yeah, all right, cool. Bye.